We have a funnel cloud on the live stream. Funnel cloud on the live stream. Ground circulation. We got a tornado on the ground. Look at the bottom by the corn.
I don't see it.
It's on the ground. Hey, we got one on the ground, guys. Look at the debris right there on the very ground. Look at the base of the corn and the stuff getting flinged up. You can barely see it. Yes.
I see it.
There's a tornado on the ground.
I see it.
Come on, touchdown, touchdown, touchdown. Do it.
Is this coming towards us?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm sure it's going to go in front of us.
Is that it?
Yes, that's a funnel cloud right above us. Look at that rotate. Holy cow.